Hello, my friends. Hope you're doing great. So today I'll let you know how I clean the data in my day-to-day life. So now let's start. So let me create a new sheet. Name is date, and it's important for you to make your raw data separate from your updated one, because whenever you fail to know anything and you have to you have the opportunity to go back. So I will clean this sheet basically. It's okay. So whenever I start to do any data analytics, I used to make the header file more visible to me so that I can easily understand what the name of my column is. So make a little bit bold or so, and I'm just increasing the font. Okay, so I think it's perfect. And not this. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so now it's fine. I think that it's easy to read. Okay. Alright, so now let's see. I think it is unnecessary the serial number. Now delete this file. Column and check column. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Okay, so now we're seeing that this George Washington is the name of the president of the previous in United States, and this is John Adams. So we're seeing a problem that this name is a proper case and this is not. This is a small case. So here's an anomaly. So we have to remove this. For this, I have to insert a cell here. Now let me give you the name of this column. So fixed president. Okay, so for doing this, we have to. Okay, so let's say you have to make all this name into uppercase. So upper, close the brackets, and see. Yes, it works. Really fine. Let's do for all. Oh, okay. Yes, it also works. Fine. Okay, so I think it is not usually needed for all the time. I think the proper is perfect. So now, proper. Okay. Close the bracket. I think it looks better than before. Wow, cool, it works. Nice. Okay, so now let's see where is empire. Okay, so if there's some text at the end of this column which is not visible, so for make it visible we have to select all the rows and column, the entire sheet, and you can click anywhere in the in here. It could be here, it could be here too. So okay, so now everything is visible to you. Okay, so this is the time period what the president has previously do, like the George Washington, who is prior commander-in-chief of the Continental Army. So this is the time period in 1775 to 1783. So I think here is some character which is actually unnecessary. So we could remove those, and for this to replace those into a understandable format. I think this, yeah. So here we are seeing. Okay, so we let me select. Yeah, my computer has become so slow. Sorry for that. Okay, so now we have to replace this these letters. I think so. I don't know what I will call it. It's a character, I think. So in lieu of these characters, we have two. So as I'm just using this in lieu of two in place of those characters. I think that will be very easy for us to read. Oh yes, it looks better, right? think it looks better. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the parties. So here is different types of parties. Okay, so what you can. Okay, so now let's select the entire file. Now go to the data. Oh, it was very slow. Now there's a filter. You know that. So for if you create this filter, it will help to visualize the data more easily. So now let's see. Select all. That means all the selection: democratic, federalist, Republic. Oh, yes, the problem. Republicans is 2 times. Now let's fix it. Yeah. Here we found this. Sorry. Yeah, it's fine. You know why my computer is very slow. Okay. So now there's a problem, I think. Yeah, we have to delete this unnecessary text. Yeah, it's fine now. And okay, everything is fine, I think. Yeah. Yes, everything looks clear. Now let's move on to the vice column. So here we're seeing that there is an additional spaces in front of this name, and it will be a problem when we analyze this data. So let's see how we could fix it. Okay, so for doing this, we have to change the space. It's like shaving your beard. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, yes. Now we're seeing that there is no space in front of the names. Oh, it looks clean. Yeah. Now here is the salary. So the salary, you're seeing that there is an additional dollar sign in front of every amount. It will be create any problem, I think, that when we analyze using SQL. So for this, we have to select the entire row and then go to home. Then we have to SQL basically treats it as a string or text, so we will convert it into number. Okay, yes, the dollar sign has removed. Then let's remove this. Okay, now it looks very clean, I think. All right. Okay, so now let's move on to the date. Yes, there's a fine, but here you're seeing that there's some text with nice date July, so we have to remove this. And for this, I have to select these columns, and now okay, show date. Yes, and now it has removed, so I think it looks fine now. Okay, now as the analysis we have done so far, we have to okay president. Okay, so there is the president fixed. So here we fixed the name of the president, and so it is unnecessary. I think we could delete one column from here. So for this, so think if you know that this is the one which uh, we have a little bit modified, and for this we have to delete it. If we delete it, we're getting an error here because from the file or from the column we have make those equations using upper or lower or proper case, and the main and the original form is not prevails or present anymore, so we are getting this error for here. So now let's paste on the control J. So my PC is very low, I think. Okay, so for this we have to copy this. Let's see, we have to paste here. is a value. I'm repeating here, you have to paste this as a value, otherwise it won't work. Alright, so now you can delete this row. Yes, it's clear now. Okay, so as the same way, I have to copy this, I have to paste here. Now we can delete it. Alright, so now it looks more fine than initially we got it. Alright, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.